Come here, anybody. I get so many clips during the day. I'm just gonna piece a bunch together and make a long video for you guys to watch. Butter, you wanna come here, little bird? Come here. This is an interesting speed. This is 120 frames per second. It's 4 times slower instead of 8 times slower like the regular slow motion I use. It's a good speed for videoing birds because it's just slow enough you can see the wings flap and their little movements, but fast enough that a lot of people don't realize it's in slow motion. I'm looking for a nuthatch. Mr. Butter, you up here? Hey, here's a nuthatch. Come here, Butter. Hi. Come see me, little bird. Come out here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come see me. Find your way through the branches. Come here. Come here, darling. Here. There you go. Yeah, somebody stole your peanut. Come get a new one. Come here. Come here, babe. Come get a new one. Here. Here, come get a new peanut. I saw him steal it. Come see me, Noisy. Come here, babe. Here. Jump. Come here, little bird. Well, come here again. Come here. Somebody looking at you? All right, come here. I'll get closer. Here. Here, grab something. There you go. Hey, I heard a Butter. Butter, come here. Come down here, little Butter bird. Come here. Come here, Butter. You missed. Try again. Come here. Jump, little bird. Oh. Okay, now you can come. There you go. Where are you? I hear your little squeak. Oh, there. Come here. Come here, babe. Here. Come here. I'll be still. Come here. Come back. Come back. This is Butter.